have access to your database or i-given wala gid sa database, then you will have to solve this manually. Of course, you have there your bar. The thickness is 22 mm. And then this one here is 200 mm. So may imagine niya 200 mm. Ilan ang inches? That's 8 inches, no? So 8 inches nga. So angle bar na 8 inches. It's actually very big. And then this one is almost 1 inch na labaga. 22.
100 per mixer.
Yeah, 100 po na siya. It's divided by 200 minutes here. Okay. So that,
8,180 sir. Ang isa.
480 na ang isa.
Ang duwa sir, 16,160.
Try to solve ang labo. So, just for the purpose of discussion. So, we can do it that way, no? So, ayun yung pahinod area. So, you have your M and the same for sa Picas side. So, you have there for the cross area, you have area 1 is 22 by 200 minus 22.
And joke, sorry. 178 sir.
178 plus you have your 200 by 22 multiplied by 2, no? 1. Area is 16. 632 square. Okay, that's the total. The total gross area of your double angle. Okay, what's next? So we have this already. We have this.
Moment of energy.
Ini ron ang 5 because to haman. But obviously we can locate the centroid just by looking at it. We know na kung mo lugar niya symmetrical axis, you know that the centroid should be somewhere there. So wala ta ka asa yung exactly. So muna siya kung solve mo, no? So that we can compute for our moment of energy. Okay? So, siya ito nagawa ito lang eh. Sige, itutlog yung mga tor.
Y bar.
May tao na
Y-bar.
Y bar. Okay? So, this is your y-axis and then
From the bottom.
so, sa may reference axis.
From the bottom.
Bottom. Ito lang. Okay.
Bottom top.
Sa bottom. Actually, it's actually the leftmost yun na siya sa picture hanggang sa bottommost. Ano ba? No? Because we're looking at the quadrant, it is probably positive value din no? So,
Wala yung negative sir.
yeah, wala yung negative. So, that's why kung ako kung gamit ka with paano dili symmetrical ang atong section, so dili ko magsugod natin para puro siya positive. But if we can already determine, here naman mo, you can obviously determine kung asa ang symmetry niya. So you can proceed there right away. So in that case, our reference line for the y-axis is at the middle, which is obviously at the centroid between these two shapes, two areas. Pero what we do not know is biniro ato y bar. Okay? So let's solve for our y bar using ito to.
Y bar. Y bar equal area equals.
Summation.
Yes.
Value known theorem. No? So y bar is equals to the total area or the summation of your smaller area and the its corresponding moment r. For y bar, we have here 16 to y bar. Area 1. Sabi area 1. Let's start this as area 1, area 2, and then area 3 pa to, and area 4.
Pwede pa rin. Top one sa left most. So, isa na lang po sa area sa dalawa sa left. Dalawa sa parang sa
Sound. Tapos, actually you can do that, no? Pero, for purposes of discussion, lang siya i-dissect yung sa okay, so, we're looking for this one. So, for area 1 and area 3 is the same. So, our centroid is somewhat here and somewhat here. And our reference line is to the bottom. For area 1 and area 3, we have 178 divided by 2 plus 22. Nakuha na siya. So you have your area there as buha kabuo na tinigwa. Buha kabuo na 22 mm by 178. But its moment arm with respect to the reference line, which is at the bottom of this case, we have 178 divided by 2 plus 22. Got it? And then for the other shape, no, I mean the other area, that's almost, you have your kabok, no, for this one. 2 times 22 times 200 times 22 over 2. 22 over. Okay, so a bar is equals to y bar is 58.09 millimeters para mag-iko. Say that, or you label this as from the bottom.
ito yung subscript sa advisor.
Yeah.
Y bar.
This one, actually, by default, technically, when you speak about centroids, again as a bar, pero sa atong EISC na database, mula yung pagpunta ng bar, that's why you will just see there as X and Y, but it's the centroid. But technically speaking, na yun as bar. Okay, so that's from the bottom. So this is 58.09. 58.09 mm. Okay. What's next? We have our centroid. So we can now determine our moment of inertia. Now, for the moment of inertia, you have to be aware that we are transferring our different moment of inertia for each shapes into the centroidal na moment of inertia. Because in its equation, plus ety squared. This is actually reckoned from the centroidal axis. So everything now will be referred to your centroid. So diri na ba lang ang medyo kalibog no? Sa moment R dahil. Okay. So let's try to solve for our centroidal moment of inertia. We need to solve first for our Ix, no? Because we have this equation here, Ix plus c dy squared. We do not know this yet. No? For this, isa ka angle bar. Okay? So we need to solve that first, no? Para ako na siya gano'n. So how do you do that? Page of your cube. Pero angle bar man na. So, hindi pa ni siya buwaan moment of inertia individually. So, individual sa aya pag din ka maka-proceed sa basta naka-subscript na siya double X or double Y, that's the one ito na yun for the entire section na yun. Ayun lang yun sa tuto ni Ma'am Nor sa inyo. So, kasi yung subscript din para sa
Ix
lang. So let's just sa ato lang sa scale. This is for me no, this is useful to help us identify kung asa na talaga process. So kung double X na dia or double subscript, that's the entire section. We need first our individual na moment of inertia. One is we need our transfer equation. No? So this is basically summation. No? Summation na siya if nalakay other areas. For that angle bar, ito lang sa for single angle bar. You have their Ix of 2 areas, no? So, meaning area and this area. So, that's actually pH cubes for area 1. That's for area 1, that's B. What's the B here? So, so Ix is B, we have 22. 22 times 178 cube over 12. Plus the area which is 22 times 178 times the moment R. So asal niya moment R karon no? Ato ay matako flowing for station purposes. Area 1 and area 2. We know already that somewhere here is your point bar, so 3.09. But the centroid of this area here is somewhere here, at the middle of this rectangular shape. Kaya siya nga moment arbor is 1. So that's the centroid of this area, padulong dito sa overall na centroid. So this is the Y, no? Pinipot na. Kung pinipot na niya side, kung horizontal ko, that's our dx. No? And we'll try to get that as well. No? To to check lang, no, and to establish lang the procedure on how to do it. So, kailangan siya ron. So, this one is 178 over 2. Okay. Minus this one. Ito lang. Na 5 plus 22. So, na 522 minus tayo this one. So, it's basically 178 over 2 plus 22. Okay. Minus tayo 50. Sila ba?
52.91.
52.91. Kaya tayo
Square.
That's for the first area. No? Para lang na. We still need this one. So plus dynamic. Okay? Plus, ako lang sulat sa obos. Plus, you have your, what's the P of that? 200. 200 times 22 cubed over 12 plus 222. What's the moment arm? Ito moment arm na, this one here is the centroid. No? We know na only atong overall na centroid. So, atong kapangitanan na is ini nga distance
17
pado
47.
no. So, kailangan natin siya.
42.09.
So, that's basically 15.09 minus 11. So, kailangan siya?
47.
47.09. So that's the total IX for this rectangle, single form. Yeah.
3,123.66 times 10 to the fourth.
When you give a moment of inertia, it's
10 to the 6.
Sigman siya, sigman siya general rule, no? Pero ang naano lang kita na is
21.24. 31.24 times 10 to the 6. 31. 31.24
31 point
times 10 to the 6.
Yep, same answer?
Yes, sir.
31 point, 31.34. So by inspection, IX and IY should be the same. Same man siya o leg. No? So pagtambling na ito na, it will have the same leg. Pero sa ako sulbon, kung dapat, sulbon na ito no, para lang ma-distinguish niya si Ivan. Practice na. For IY, you have, so atong tambling yan. So this will now be your B. Hindi na tayo ang height. Tingnan na siya. Very good yun. We're looking at the y-axis. So for area 1, we have 178 times 22 cubed divided by 12 plus the same area times what's our D? So ayaw lang ninyo limpya nga mo niya kung sayop sa una permitin sulat diba kung X gani dito your D should be at the y-axis. Kung Y na siya diya, that should be at the x-axis. So asa ng taaniro just erase that para
Good.
Okay, so we know that this is the
Break mo.
okay, and since equal like money, this should also be 58.09. Only valid for angle bars, many quadrants. Okay? Kaya, if lahi natin siya, dito ba sa bayan nila yung ma-change ko. It so happen lang in this case that pareha lang siya because it has equal lengths. Okay? So 0.09 ko na siya. So we have divided into here upon here. For area 1, we have ilan na siya? Mga distance ito kinahanglan. 11. Okay, 11. And then, ilan? Ini? So, yeah. So that's, ilan to? 47 for 09. Last na yun, because side na po, no? Which is, this is 22 times 200 cube. So, teka, plus 22, 200 times, wala ba na? This one, no? Patulong din. This one, same na siya. 52, 91. The answer should be Mariana. But obviously now it's the same. IY. Point. This is 4 times 10. The same. Please confirm. Mariana. Like sir? Nakuha naman tayo sa symmetrical gawas kung hindi natin siya sa reference. So, matter. So, paano na siya nagtabo lang na siya because it's an equal length. Pareha ba niya? Delay. So, there's something wrong there, no? Sa balance niya lang dito. So, this one, we're looking at this one. This is 47.09. And then this one here is about that. This one is yung kasipyat ang student is ini sa moment arm. Okay? So, please be very careful sa inyong moment arm when you use the transfer equation. So, you now have your, of course, no, from the figure, Ix is obviously the same with Iy. But we just wanted to illustrate no, kung saan siya po atong active. So that's for the single angle bar. So what do we need actually is we need to have a angle bar. Okay? For the double angle bar, we need now our Ix. Because we already have this one. So we can now proceed with the entire cross-section. So Ix, so we have there 31.24 times 10 to the 6 plus what's the area of that? So 16 to divide by 2. Okay, isa naman ka angle bar. Okay.
8,316.
8,316. What's our D? So Ix man siya, so we will be referring to our Y. Padulong sa asa. It should be basta sa entire figure na you'll be referring it to its synchroidal axis na. Man-negative ba? Okay raman man-negative, no? Naka-square man na siya. Positive. But pila man na siya. This one will require your imagination. Hindi na gilid yung pagka-engineer pa doon. It's actually here, no? Nakato 58.09. Individual centroid for our angle bar is also at 58.09. Kailangan 58.09. Pumudraman. Walay moment arm. Okay. So this is for the first na angle bar. Sa kapan ay kaduha, which is also the same. Basically, you can just times 2 there, pero ano lang i-spell out yan, parang ano i-spell out yung equation. So, dapat 62 times 10 to the 6. Questions so far? Nagsakot lang sila sa moment arm sa isang angle bar o the moment arm po sa entire cross-section. Not all cases. Okay.
For the axis,
Yeah. That's 62.1. Question is right. Ix, XP, so 1 na. naka-modify na. Hindi ka sign na tayo. Nag-gets me? Okay na mo, anong zero atong it can happen na zero ang moment. And that happens when mag-coincide ang centroid sa imong isa ka area versus sa entire section. Madili siya mag-zero. Magdepende yan nila sa tungkuan. So again, as I've said, ang critical against the transfer moment equation is the establishment of your moment arm. Permitting. And ako na sa topic, di mayawan sa okay. So ayaw mag-influence. But in our KL over R for compression, we are actually looking for the minimum. No? So katong gamay na R. R. Which means ang gamay mo na I. So we do not know yet if this is the lesser value. Therefore, we need to solve for our I, Y, Y. So I, Y, Y naman you have your I, Y plus your 80x squared. So naka-x po, naka-x axis mo yan. So I, Y. So it's the same. So ay kaso, 31.24 times 10 to the 6 plus area is also the same. 316 times monero nasa namin siya. Zero gyapon. Tuan naman ta. X naman ta. So, ini na siya. O ini na tayo. So, hindi na mag-matter ang thickness sa so that's 58.09 plus 5. 58.09 plus 5 no, because atong centroid no, is located here at the middle of the correct? The middle of your, at the centroid of your doesn't okay. And again, no, since parehara na lang sila, it's actually basically times 2. So, but the general procedure is that usually plus na lang. Yeah, pero kung lagi no, kung the generic yun is even plus. It so happen na times 2 because same as is down. Ay, wala mo na is equals to? Sila? 128.68 times 10 to the 6 so kinsay mas gamay this one okay. Which means nga mas click only siya sa y-axis. Okay. Over R, you can also for KL over R. KL over R. Napatay tayo R, no? Napatay R. We can now solve for our R, which is the square root of 62.48 times 10 to the 6 divided by area of 60. R equals to 61.29. and I cannot find you 61 point. 61 point. Okay, so yan ang solve for our EL over R. Ayan pala yung tama. EL over R, which is 1 times 7,500 divided by 61.59 equals to 37. Anyway, it's less than 200, therefore it's okay. Okay, so we can now proceed. No? So, sa episode na natin, tama or 4.71 square root of 100,000 over
Above A.
E over F1. No? What's our F1? F1 is for 8, no? 836, no? So you have there 2 for equals 133.7. Oh, why do you need to para? You can do that in yourself, no? Pero I would need to look at that sa inyo. Kaya lang. Pero of course, no, expert na kayo guys. Skip that. 122.37 is less than 133.76, therefore use FCR 65 for 877. 77? 658. Less than.
Okay, sir.
So, sakto rin.
Yes, sir.
So, 877. Okay. So, FP is equals to pi square E over your EL square. Square. So, kung na-resolve, ilan? E is 20,000. E over R is this one. Same answer. So,
Yes, sir. 121.8.
FCR is equals to 0.877 times 121.
150.61.
151. This is APA. PN equals to 115.61 newtons per square meter times 60 divide now 1,000 para maging PN.
1920%.
Ilan?
1920.
1922. 8.75 PN.
Dapat ang answer.
Baliktad lagi. Hindi mo. So that's point 658, 685.
685.
To the power of F5FD.
Y over FD times
Sir, kailangan namin sa exam, sir. Balik.
ito 131. Ito?
Hello. Mag-pay 1 for
Medyo ilan sa FE.
Natin.
0.49.
Tama sa
over R squared.
gamay lagi.
TL over R.
Gamay. Kaya mga mas puto ko 115.22 mega.
Wala pa rin muna pa yung sa FY. If times ko na pinangyay sa FY. Ang result na.
FCR is 0.658. The FY over FE times FY by FE.
Parang dito po.
Like 650.
112 daw. Daw, 112 point. Second bit, 112.84.
Ang hirap ito.
Sa mani, lowest middle weights. 112 point. Okay, dua na kabuo. 115, pakicheck. Sa notes niya, ito na po yun. 112.84. Sure magani. Saan yung gamit yan? Sa notes. Last set na? So, baliktad mo ba na siya? Gamit pa yun. So, even less than is na 4.71. 133. Dapat 0.658. Low ng notes na. Sige nga, bilis nga rin. Ako sa to. Anong tayo na nasa?
Kasi the values
Ang naman.
hindi ba sa last?
Visual. Kasi nabayro eh. Hindi ba dapat? Hindi ba dapat ah? 1.2. 112.84.
Grade naman.
112.84.
Aman. Kung man na siya grade, ikaw-apat na na. Grade 33. Ilan siya? 275? Mo ng grade 60.
Ako na lang yung EFC, DM is equal to FCRAG.
112.84. Science strength, so this is times 0.9. That's
1689.08.
1689. Same answer? Actually, my notes is using PDCP 2001. So, wala ko siya i-follow na rin sa conversion na design part.